Hello everyone, Jonathan Sweeney from Red Sky Alliance here. Today we're going to go over how to group companies together in REDXRAY, also known as creating a portfolio. We're also going to learn how to set up REDXRAY email notifications inside here. So the first screen we're looking at here is our REDXRAY dashboard. We've got a couple companies here. For my example, we've got example company 1, example company 2, and then we've also got example supply chain companies as well. So once we've got our company profiles created, we'll go ahead and start building the portfolios by clicking the Manage Portfolios tab here at the top. And the first thing we're going to do is just assign a name to the new portfolio. So let's say we want to monitor all of our supply chain companies in one portfolio, and then we want to monitor our customer accounts in a different REDXRAY portfolio. So to do that, we'll start with the supply chain. We just go in here and give our portfolio a name. And we just assign the companies that we want to add to it. So I've got example supply chain 1 and example supply chain 2. Now, as you're typing here, the names of the company profiles should appear as a drop-down menu. Just go ahead and click that option and it will automatically fill in for you. If you've accidentally added a company to the list here and you don't want it, to remove it, just click this little X button. Now, if that's all we wanted to do was create a separate portfolio, we could go ahead and click Save here. And now we can go back to our dashboard and pull open we're going to look at all time. And I want to check our supply chain portfolio. So now if we filter to only our supply chain companies, and we're looking at all time, we can see we've got a supply chain company here, supply chain 2 here, and we are good to go. Now, if we want to go back to our dashboard and still look at all the companies, you're more than welcome to do that by filtering to all and all. And here you can see we've got supply chain 1 and 2 on that main dashboard here. Now, as part of your portfolios, you may want to set up email notifications. In fact, you're more than likely going to want to do so. So we go back to our Manage Portfolios tab here, and we just find the portfolio that we want to send email notifications for. And let's say that I want this email address up here to start receiving email notifications about these two companies every day, every 24 hours. I just put that email in here and click Save. Now, let's say there's multiple people that we want to receive these email notifications. You've got the SOC team, the CEO, etc. You just go ahead and put the other email addresses here as you'd like. So we'll just go down here and say the CEO at example wants the email. You just go line by line there. So once we've done that, we'll go ahead and click Save. And now, tomorrow, both the SOC at example.com and CEO at example.com and this FA32 email address will all receive REDXRAY email notifications for both of these companies. Now, if you only want to set up email notifications for an individual company, you don't want to monitor multiple companies, you're more than welcome to just monitor one company at a time. Okay, so just have one company in the company's list here and click Save. And now instead of receiving for both companies, I will only receive for supply chain 1. Now, if you click the Save button here, it will save those changes. But of course, if you have any questions along the way, always feel free to reach out to Red Sky Alliance here. We're happy to help you. That is how to set up portfolios or grouping companies together in REDXRAY, and also how to set up email notifications. If you'd like any further assistance with this, please feel free to reach out to us. Our phone number is available, and you can also reach out via email. Thank you all.